Hello, everyone. This is the second discussion assignment for MIS 605. Just given the picture we have here. This point of sales information structure, this architecture shows that a business is operating from two different locations with only one server present. This appears to be, looks like a client server system, as we have one server at location A with a multi-computer client system at each of the two locations. In this phenomenon, a server manages most processes and stores all data, while the client requests specified data or processes, which the server will process as output for the client. So here's our picture. I'll just go down the line on what I believe is necessary and what is not necessary. So I will start below the internet service provider with the DSL. DSL would not be my first choice when providing internet to the organization. Um, Actually, fiber optic is the newest and fastest type of connections that are available. We have that Google Fiber here in Kansas City, for example. But however, because fiber optic is generally more expensive and it's not available in certain areas, it may be necessary to scrap the DSL and go with a cable modem, as this is generally the most popular option among businesses going forward, in that it's faster and it's more reliable than DSL. So we're just going to cross off the DSL. Sorry about that. And then we're going to do a modem here. Obviously, since we are in two locations, I believe the VPN part, I believe that's necessary. That we'll be seeing a lot of data back and forth between the locations. We don't want anyone hacking or spying on information that we are transmitting. So again, the VPN acts as like a hidden tunnel, protects all our internet activity between location A and B. Switches, I think, are also necessary. Here we got switches in order to connect multiple devices on the same network. This pretty much allows all of our devices to talk to each other, share information, as it connects our computers and our printers. But then there's this thing right here, the server, which I don't think we need the server. We don't need to connect our server to the switches. In fact, I'd be more inclined to get rid of the primary server altogether as we move towards cloud computing, and we'll put the cloud up here. Just we'll store all of our information in the cloud. I actually read an article I referenced in my sources. Businesses are hosting their own server. Businesses that host their own server can spend as much as 75% of their total annual IT budget just on maintaining the existing infrastructure. That's not even developing something or improving as an organization. That is literally maintaining, being stuck in place, being average. So again, server, goodbye. We got the cloud up here. This doesn't appear to be a small business with only two distinct locations. So we don't. I'm sorry. This doesn't. This appears to be a small business just with two locations. We don't need an overly large server. So an overly large server probably is more expensive. We probably don't have that much data. Also, compared to very large businesses who likely will need a server. Another con to the server is that due to its in-house location here on location A, it may be susceptible to data loss during disaster situations. So I think the cloud here, again, I'm going to emphasize this. We don't have this on-site hardware or capital expense. There's multiple other benefits to the cloud. The storage data can be added as needed. You pay what you need. It's not costly. Backup and restore can be performed really from anywhere. You can back up regularly in short intervals. This minimizes the data losses in disaster situations compared to the server. I'd also be a proponent for keeping the barcodes and the printers, as we got here. Barcode, printer. I think there's just a lot of advantages, such as fast and easy label creation, simplified tracking, higher accuracy, which eliminates the need for manual data entry, especially if this was kind of like a sales company, which, again, I know that's in our next writing assignment. So overall, I would really like just to make two changes to the information system that is designed above. On a minor level, I'd change from the DSL to cable modem, just because that this appears to be a small business, so I think this will increase speeds. It doesn't look like there will be a lot of shared bandwidth, which will clog up the connectivity. And then my other change would be to scrap the server and implement cloud computing for memory storage and all their functions. So this is my video. I'm looking forward to the discussion. Thank you.